Joker and the Thief by Wolfmother is one of those songs that sounds pretty tricky to play, but it's actually really simple. All we need to do is tune our low E string to a D for the drop D tuning to play along with this song. So the main riff starts off on the D string open, hammering on to 5 and 7. We're going to play this in a triplet. And we'll do exactly the same thing on the G string. Okay, so open 5 7, open 5 7. D then G. Triplet, triplet. And then we just increase the speed, and that's the main riff. For the chords in the song, we're actually going to be playing power chords, but because we're in drop D, we only need a single finger to play the chords. So we've got the 12th fret and the E, A and D string as our first chord, and we're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we're kind of hitting the chords, and then there's a little rest between the next one. On the 6th hit, we're going to swap to 12, and then 10, 12, 10, 12, 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and then repeat that. Then going to move up to 15 and play 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's like an up strum on the 4 of the triplet there. Sliding up to 17 and we hit that again. And we've got the same as we did with the 12 and 10. And so it's 17, 15, 17, 15, 17, 15. Okay, so from the 15 we've got this slowly. And the whole thing sounds like this. There's also a little break in the song where we play this riff. It starts off on the 5th fret of the A string, just one note for the whole bar. Then we play 7, 5, 4, 5, 4 on the D, finishing off on 5 on the A. Down to the 3rd fret on the A there. And same riff again, 7, 5, 4, 5, 4. This time going to 7 on the A and finishing on the 5 on the A there. So that would sound like this. And the last time through, we play 7, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Slide up to 7, slide up to 9. Slide up to 12. Then we start the riff here again. We start off on the 12th fret of the D, full bar, and then we got. So very similar to the other riff. 14, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12 on the D, dropping down to 10 on the D. So all on the G to start, and 12, 10 on the D. Same again. We're ending it there with 14 down to 12 on the D. Once we finish that riff sliding to the 12th fret on the D, we're going to play 14, 12, 11, 12, 11 on the G. Then we'll play 12 going down to 10 on the D string. So from when we slide into the 12 from the riff below, it sounds like this. And the final time slightly different. It's 14, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12. Sliding up to 14. Sliding up to 16. Hit the 16 twice, and then we go to 15 on the B. We have this kind of repetitive riff that sounds like this. And that's played out until we finish. So it's 15, 13 on the B, 13 on the high E, to 15 on the B. A little mute, little triplet on the high E, just muted. Going back to 15 in between on the B there, so. We finish off with 15 on the high E, full bend, 15 bending down, releasing to 13, and hitting 15 on the B string twice.